You know that awful moment when your computer suddenly crashes and, just like that, some files are gone? That actually happened to me not long ago. I lost a couple of important work documents after a failed update, and honestly, I was panicking. And of course, the first thought that hit me was, why didn't I set up a proper backup earlier? So naturally, I tried the built-in Windows backup tools. But if you've ever used them, you know they can be confusing, slow, and honestly not that reliable. I didn't have hours to figure out complex settings. I just needed a solution that worked quickly and reliably. That's when I started trying different backup software. After testing a few, I came across AOME Backupper. At first, I wasn't expecting much, just another backup program, right? But once I tried it, I realized it was surprisingly straightforward and solved the problems I was running into. Demo use case. Step 1. Backup. The first thing I tested was a full system backup. It was literally just a couple of clicks. Select System Backup, choose where to save, and hit Start. In a few minutes, my whole system was safely backed up without me needing to touch complicated options. Step 2. Restore. But of course, backups are useless if you can't restore. The first step, let's make sure we have the file we want to back up. Here, I have a folder named Test File. Inside this folder are some very important data. Now, let's open AOME Backupper. Go to the Backup menu and choose File Backup. Next, we select where we want this folder to be saved. And then click Start Backup. That's it. Super quick and easy. The file has now been successfully backed up. But to be sure it really works, let's test it. I'm going to permanently delete the test file folder. Now comes the most important part, restoring the backup. We select the backup we created, point it to the same location, and click Start Restore. And there it is. Let's check the result together. Amazing. The folder is back exactly where it was. The restore process was a complete success. Step 3. Disk clone. Later, when I upgraded my old hard drive to an SSD, I used the disk clone feature. Normally, this would mean reinstalling Windows and all my apps, which is a nightmare. But instead, I just cloned the disk, swapped it out, and the new drive booted perfectly. That alone saved me hours of work. Extra features. Now let's look at some extra features. In the Schedule menu, you can set automatic backups based on your needs, daily, weekly, monthly, and more. You can also choose the exact start time for each schedule. Another powerful option is the incremental backup method. With this, the software only backs up files or folders that have changed, saving both time and storage space. You can even customize how often it runs to match your workflow. And besides these extra tools, AOME Backupper also provides several free utilities that can make managing your backups even easier. Free versus paid. Now, one thing I think is important to mention, there's a free version and a paid version. The free version already gives you the basics: system backup, file backup, disk clone, which for many people is enough. But some advanced features like incremental and differential backups, system clone, universal restore, and backup encryption are only available in the paid version. So if you're just a casual user who needs simple protection, the free version works great. But if you're serious about long-term data safety, or you manage a lot of files and drives, the paid version is definitely worth considering. Conclusion plus promo info. Losing data was a stressful experience, but it pushed me to finally take backups seriously. Now I don't even worry about it anymore. Everything's just safe. If you've ever lost files, or you're worried about your computer failing one day, I'd say give backups a try. For me, AOME Backupper made the whole process simple and reliable. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested, there's currently a special flash sale going on. You can get up to 80% off bundles, or use the coupon codes in the link I've put in the description to save even more on a license. It's time limited, so definitely check it out if you're considering the upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more tech tips all about technology. See you to the next video. Thanks and regards. Bye-bye.